asuntoskeittiö Lahden Ilmarisen hovi.
Oh my god, this is really amazing. One of the best in Lahti. Lahti is here in Metsäpelto. Today on the 21st of July 2023. Has this beautiful lamp indicator with four fixtures.
Yeah.
After the 3 rights you can do the right for the up.
Yeah.
For the right up, so I can have it also.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for that. Now 6 ones here. And only 2 more elevators to be found in Metsäpelto later. One Kone from 1989 and one V6.
Yeah.
And here I have one more. And it was built in 1958, turning 65 years old this year. 2023, maybe this could be the beginning of 1958, perhaps, because it's from 1957 in Lahti city center.
Yeah.
The number is 7532. Yeah, and it's going to be split in the next year, 2024, and it's chromed, very beautiful panel.
Yeah.
And 6 floors, and yeah, out of many, 1958 also.
Yeah.
On 2 places they have here. The maneuver for.
Yeah. Inspected by Inspected, maintained by Kone.
I love the sounds here.
Same.
And also it has a very rare green MP4 button for the alarm.
Yeah, it's
Never seen that before.
yeah, same here. And these LED lights look like light bulbs. They are very good.
Yeah, that's still a good choice at least.
Yeah.
Yes. Probably the best elevator that we are filming on this day today.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And also one of the best that have ever been made in Lahti.
Yeah.
And you can do a right up.
That's